How to use DeepSeek V3 2025. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about DeepSeek and how you're going to be able to use DeepSeek V3 for yourself in 2025. So, basically, if you want to use DeepSeek V3 for yourself, here's all you're going to want to do. You're going to go over to chat.deepseek.com, which is obviously your chat section. And to start using the V3 for yourself, what you're simply going to do is you're going to come here where it says DeepThink R1. You're going to activate that. And this is basically used to solve reasoning problems. And this is what V3 is. And now you can go ahead and message DeepSeek anything you want, like, can you tell me the Fibonacci sequence? Okay, let's go ahead and talk to it about that. So we write that in, we enter that, and obviously with DeepThink R1, which is basically DeepThink V3, it goes ahead and answers all of our questions as we go on. So as you can see, it's quite descriptive, quite fun to work along with, and that is how you can use DeepSeek V3 for yourself in the easiest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.